This LASFIT Tailgate Mat is precisely molded for late-model Ram trucks, so it lines up cleanly with factory screw holes and sits flat without trimming or wrestling it into place. The three-dimensional contouring follows the tailgate ribs closely, creating a cushioned barrier that helps prevent dents, paint wear, and scratches when loading heavy cargo. Its thermoplastic elastomer construction feels dense yet slightly flexible, so it resists permanent warping and springs back into shape after being folded or compressed. The material shrugs off mud, road salt, rain, and snow, making it a practical upgrade for trucks that see job site duty, camping trips, or regular hauling in harsh climates. The lightly textured surface adds grip under your feet and under gear, which makes the open tailgate feel more secure as a step and keeps items from sliding as easily. Installation is straightforward with basic hand tools, and once installed, the mat gives the tailgate a finished, factory-like look that complements spray-in or drop-in bed liners.